Okay, so now that we know how to draw in Creo a sketch and change from the Sketcher tool or Sketcher interface and going back to the model interface, before we proceed with the next task, I wanted you to go to this page here of the textbook about spin, pan, and zoom. So basically, zoom in and out, you can use the buttons here to zoom in, out, or zoom all. But if you wanted to, like, say, pan, and pan is the ability to go and move your view a little bit to the right, up and down, and that means that you wanted to, like, sort of shift your view. So that means that you wanted to press your shift key and the middle mouse button. Okay, so going back here, we simply press the shift on our keyboard and then press the middle button and hold that down, and then you should be able to, like, move left and right, up and down your view. Okay, now if you don't press the shift button and you simply hold down your mouse button, what you're gonna do is you're gonna spin your view. Okay, sometimes might get confusing how you're spinning it, but this is like you're rotating it in a three-dimensional view. Okay, and so if this happens to you, you can always go and click here and click standard orientation. It'll go back to this view, and then you can always zoom in by clicking on this button, or you can, I think, press your control on your keyboard, hold down your middle mouse, and then you can now zoom in and out. Okay, if you press your shift and hold down your middle mouse, you can zoom or pan left, right. Okay, so those are very, very useful tools on how to interact with Creo. So make sure you know how to zoom in and out pressing this button. This one is zoom all, or refit everything in your screen. And then I don't see any pan button here, but panning means moving or you're shifting your view left and right. Okay, and that means holding down your shift key and your middle mouse button, hold it down, and so you can shift your view up, down, left and right. Okay, for the zoom, it's the control key on your keyboard, control key on your keyboard, hold your middle mouse, and then you can zoom in or out by dragging your mouse up or down while holding the control key on your keyboard and while pressing down on the middle button of your mouse or the scroll wheel. Okay, so practice that before we proceed with the next task.